Everybody, I am back. You can't see me. I'm trying out our situation here to see how it's going to work. I'm definitely going to have to be able to bring the, if I'm going to talk to you, I need to get it, get it to you. Anyway, I have a little haul for you, and it is from, well, a couple of them are from Dollar Tree. The other one is my Family Dollar. So anyway, if you'd like to see that, stick around, say hello down in the comments, and if you like what you see, hit the buttons, okay? Alrighty, so my last haul video, craft video, I said if I was gonna go out and if they had another one, I would get it. And that is this, the ribbon. So they did have another one, so I grabbed it. So now I think I have everything I need to finish those projects that we have going on from July. So yeah, I got a couple more of these containers that I use to put the sequins in, because I had, for the Halloween stuff, I had some left over, guys, and I had to put them in little baggies. But I grabbed another one of these so I can fix that. And then I grabbed, because the snowman tree in my dining room is usually all white and red. And I want it to be farmhousey, so I'm going to add some of the farmhouse colors, the red, in the dining room, because the tablecloth is this color. So the one in the living room will still be black and white, and then all the ones that I got the red on, I will move over to that tree. So I grabbed one of those. Gotta have a new ornament. And then after I got done saying it's hard to find gingerbread cookie stuff, because I want to do that theme for my December daily and everything. And my Dollar Tree had little gingerbread, guys. Look, so exciting. So I can put one of these in my December daily. That's where I thought I would use these, because there's 4, and I could use them on each of the rooms that I want to do, you know, and just go. Are they stickers? Yep, they're stickers. But you got to put on your own glue, otherwise they come undone. But I wanted to share with you what I got for craft things. Like I said, this year I'm not going to do a whole lot. I'm just going to plan on doing more of the December daily, and we're going to get started on the 2 projects, actually 3 projects that I got over there. The ladder's not going to be hard, other than I need to figure out, I just don't want to put lights on it. I've got, I think one of those signs that I bought will go on top of it, so we'll see. So anyway, thanks for watching, guys. I'm hoping that you're liking all the content and everything. It's going to be a variety. I'm a variety channel. It's going to have a variety of stuff. So anyways, thanks for watching, and we will see you again soon. Bye now.